Hi everyone, I'm Cass.
And I'm Tia, and we're here in the Nature Restore kitchen about to make one of our favorite wellness shots.
Today we're making an all-natural pre-workout shot with a few special ingredients that help support blood flow and circulation. So let's get started. We begin by adding 1 beet to a blender. Beets are rich in nitrates, which may improve exercise performance by enhancing blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. Next, we're adding a serving of Nature Restore Japanese Knotweed powder. Japanese Knotweed powder contains resveratrol, which is thought to support cardiovascular health and potentially aid in exercise performance and recovery. We're blending these 2 superfood ingredients with a ½ cup of coconut water for an extra boost of electrolytes. If you prefer a smooth consistency, we recommend straining the mixture to remove the pulp. You can enjoy these wellness shots immediately or pour them into small containers for later.
Wow, I love the color. I'm super excited to try it.
Yeah, let's give it a go. Cheers.
Cheers. It's really good.
It tastes healthy. You can taste the beets. I love that these wellness shots have antioxidants, electrolytes, and even some specific ingredients to help circulation.
You guys can find Japanese Knotweed on naturerestore.com, and we'll catch you guys next time.